In this video, we're going to go over an auto layout section. And in particular, I'm here on the home page and going to show you how this section is edited. Now, a couple of notes on this section in particular. I've used some custom code to do a couple of changes that are not native to Squarespace. For example, we've got this automatic overlay color on top of each item. We get this slight little hover when we click or when we hover over the item. And then I've actually hidden the button and made the entire thing clickable. And again, not a custom feature. So you can change the content here, the photo, and where this leads to very easily. The rest of that is over in the code. And if you want to dive into that, you can let me know. But for this video, let's look at the content. So we're going to click on edit content here. And then you can see over on elements, we have here are the 4 images that we're showing. Now again, it says show button, but in the code, we've hidden the button and just made the entire thing clickable. So here's our content. So for example, here's our first item. The image, you can swap that out using replace here, just like you would any other image on the site. We've got our alt text in here. We've got our title. So you're welcome to click in here and change the title. We don't have a body description. And then again, we've hidden the button, but we've made the entire thing clickable and it's going over to this link. So you can go through each one of these. So if you want to swap them out, you're welcome to do that. Just use the same format that you see in here. For example, I know we have featured exhibit here, but if we get into having multiple exhibits, you might want this to lead, you might want to feature one of them, or you may want to change this up. But you can see here, if you just kind of stick with the information that's already filled in, you should have no issues there at all. And then over on the design tab, we've just set it to 4 columns. We've got the crop set there, and we're using this simple list. It's important not to change the design settings because the code is linked to the design settings for this section in particular.